Hi everyone, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study word art. What is word art and how you use it we will learn in this video. So first of all, as soon as we will click on word art, it will open multiple designs of word art like this. We can select any one of them, like I am taking this. Now here we have to write text on which we want to apply this word art, or text that we want to style, like this: welcome to my file. Now we can do some editing on this text or some formatting, like we can change its fonts like this. We can change its size also. We can make it bold or unbold. We can do italic or normal. And as soon as we will click on OK, this text will be added to our file. As soon as this style text will be added to the document, all these things will shown. This is the word art tools. So we will learn all of these one by one. First of all, edit text. It will bring us on this dialog box back where we can edit our text. If I say welcome to my file, welcome to my document, we can do some editing like this. Next is spacing. Very tight will be very tight like this, and if we say tight, tight will be somewhat loose to one other, and normal will bring them normal distance between the letters, loose and very loose, so we'll keep it normal. Even height will make them even in height. We can look here, all letters height is equal, but if it is close they will be like normal text. Vertical will arrange them vertically, and if this option is closed, these will be horizontal. From here we can apply different type of word style as we want. Any type of word style that we want to apply, we can select from here. After this, shape color, this fill color can be changed like this, and if we want to change outline color, for outline we will select from here like this. From here we will change shape color, and from here we will change outline color, and we can change outline thickness also. We can change outline style also like this. We can change its shape also, half circle like this. Different type of shape we can give to our text. All these are text formatting that we can apply on text. Beside this, we can apply shadow also. Different directions of shadow we can apply like this. We can change shadow color also like this, and we can make distance between shadow and text like this. We can make this text as 3D text. We can change 3D text direction also like this, and we can change its position also. If we say left corner, top center, and right corner, center, center, bottom left, bottom right, all these things we can apply. Not only this, if we want to move, first of all I am deleting it. I will take a new text, insert word art, welcome. Now it is not movable, so if we want to move it, we will go to text wrapping and we'll say square, or we can say tie it behind text, then it will become movable. We can move it in any direction. If we want to change its size, we can change its size like this, but if we want to change size and ratio, we have to keep this option on. Now we can change size in ratio, means if we will increase or decrease length, then second thing will change automatically. Rotation, we can rotate it also like this, and we can rotate from this pointer also. This pointer is for rotation. We want to flip, we can flip it like this, horizontal and vertical. So these are the properties that we can apply. If we have some text in our document like this, and then we insert a word art, we can say it behind text, so then it will be hidden behind text. But if we say in front of text, we can bring it at the top of the text. So all these are the properties that we can apply on text or word art, and we can apply all these tools like this. I hope all these things will be clear to you, and if this video is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, can subscribe my channel. And if you want to anything or you have any problem over here, you can ask me through comment. Thanks for watching.